Removing the rope gasket. Using a 3/8-inch wrench or socket, remove the rope gasket retaining plate located on the inside right edge of the stove door. Using a pair of pliers, carefully pull the rope gasket away from the inside lip of the door and remove it completely. Cleaning the gasket channel. Using a flathead screwdriver or similar tool, scrape away any remaining adhesive from the gasket channel. Clean the channel thoroughly, removing as much old adhesive and debris as possible to ensure proper bonding of the new gasket. Installing the new rope gasket. Apply rope gasket adhesive evenly along the entire perimeter of the gasket channel. Beginning at the same location where the retaining plate was removed, press the rope gasket firmly into the channel. Continue seating the rope gasket evenly around the door, ensuring it is fully seated and properly aligned. Securing the gasket. Once the rope gasket is fully installed, reinstall the gasket retaining plate. Ensure the retaining plate properly secures the free ends of the rope gasket to prevent loosening or unraveling. Allow adhesive to cure fully before operating the stove. To verify that the new rope gasket is sealing the door properly, perform the dollar bill test. Place a dollar bill between the stove door and the stove body. Close the door securely on the bill. Attempt to pull the bill out while the door is closed. If the seal is proper, the bill will show noticeable resistance when pulled. If the bill slides out easily, the door is not sealing correctly and adjustment is required. Adjusting the door latch. If the seal is not adequate, using an Allen key, remove the set screw located underneath the latch roller on the door handle assembly. Rotate the handle counterclockwise to increase tension and improve the door seal. Recheck the seal using the dollar bill test. Repeat adjustment as needed until the dollar bill shows noticeable resistance when removed. Final securing. Once the seal is properly adjusted, reinstall the set screw underneath the latch roller. Close and latch the door to maintain pressure on the new gasket and allow the adhesive to continue curing properly.